Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today I've got a very exciting advent calendar video. It might be one of my last ones though. I've only got a couple more to post. This is probably one of the ones that I'm most excited about. This and Space and K for me are like my favourites ever, pretty much. But as you know from the title, today I am going to be talking about the Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar, which is a 12-door advent calendar. This calendar was kindly sent to me by the PR. I will just point out that currently it is sold out. I'm hoping that they bring in more stock, but I can't guarantee that. Fingers crossed. If not, I'm still hoping that you guys will enjoy this video, even if it's just as inspo maybe for next year, or if you're just nosy to see what's inside the advent calendar this year. So this calendar retails for £150, which is almost a medium price point really, in my opinion. Beauty advent calendars don't really come under £50, but then they can really soar up to about £500. So I think £150 is actually fairly reasonable. I don't actually know what this is worth. If I find that, I'm just going to put it like here, but if this little place is blank, it's because I'm really sorry I couldn't find how much it's worth. But this year it did come in its own little box, which I don't think it has come in before. This just says Charlotte Tilbury's Bejeweled Chest of Beauty Treasure. Explore Charlotte's world of magic makeup and skincare innovations. Discover a beauty secret in every drawer. On the back it's got all the products, which is nice because previously it had it on the box, which meant that if you wanted to reuse the box, it had a bit more writing on it. Yeah, this one doesn't have that on the back. The drawers themselves, in my opinion, aren't as nice as they have been in the past, just because I don't really like this like diamondy plasticky thing on the front. They do definitely look more like drawers than usual, but I have to be honest, I'm not wild about them. I don't think they look super luxe. I think they have in the past looked more expensive. I quite like that Charlotte Tilbury does do 12 doors because it does make it more affordable. Although I can't lie, I would really like to next year see Charlotte Tilbury do a 24 or 25 door one. Yes, it would be more expensive. It might be £300, but actually 24 doors of Charlotte Tilbury for £300 actually isn't too bad, and I think it would be very, very popular, and I would just love to see it basically, because Jo Malone, like Space and K, loads of brands do 25 and they are luxury, so I would quite like to see Charlotte Tilbury do that, but that's not what she's done this year. Again, same as last year, she has not numbered her drawers. I don't mind that. I think it makes the box itself more usable for next year. I probably do prefer them to have numbers, especially for video sakes, if I'm completely honest. The top of it opens up so you can put all the products in here. I am nitpicking, but I think it would be quite nice to see a mirror in here, but there's not one. But there is like a little tray where you can put your product, which is cute, and actually I think this would be really useful as like a jewellery organiser. I might even use it as that because my jewellery is kind of all over the place, and I think that would actually work really, really well. But let's get started, let's dig in. Okay, so the plan is to start at the top left and work my way down. I haven't really looked inside properly. I basically opened this box and for some reason scrunched up the tissue a little, but I haven't really looked inside. I don't really know what to expect. I am expecting there to be a mixture of full size and mini product. Judging from the previous year advent calendars, I think there will be a lipstick, a full size one, and I suspect there will be like a body shimmer thing. That's what I'm guessing, but we'll see. So I'm gonna start with box number one. Inside is the Hollywood Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. Now this is a full size. I'll link the products down below if you want to see the prices for each individual item. I have never tried this, at least I don't think I have. I think I may have tried the contour version of this, but never the highlight. I need to double check if I've tried this highlight or not, but it's basically got like a tip on the end. You squeeze this out and then the product comes out. I really am looking forward to using this. I love Charlotte Tilbury for highlight. Actually, my highlight today is Charlotte Tilbury. I mean, generally I'm a big Charlotte Tilbury fan, and a full-size highlighter, definitely a great start in my opinion. Then we have a Colour Chameleon in Copper Light. I have a few of these and I quite like them. This one actually matches the overall look of the advent calendar really, really well. Again, a full size. I'll do a little swatch. Really very beautiful. Again, a product I think I would definitely use, and quite a universal product as well. Third drawer is the Rock & Co iconic eye pencil in Barbarella Brown. This is a slightly smaller pencil than a full-size one, maybe about half the size. Really soft. This is actually quite a dark brown. It's almost black. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Very excited to use that. I actually have one of the Charlotte Tilbury black eyeliners on my upper waterline right now, so very happy to see that. On to the fourth one. Again, I have this on. I actually put on a fair amount of Charlotte Tilbury because I thought, why not, since I'm doing a video. But if you would like to see a full face of Charlotte Tilbury, then do let me know. I can probably do that, almost. I can do a face largely of Charlotte Tilbury. There are a few bits that I won't be able to put in. This is, in my opinion, the most iconic, the most loved lip liner. Maybe of all time might be a push because it is a more recent product, but the most iconic, well loved lip liner of the moment. I can't imagine this not being one of the best selling lip liners around. If anyone has any idea if that's true or not, do let me know. But this is, of course, Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk. This is, in my opinion, Charlotte Tilbury's most iconic lip product, and it's funny because it seems rather insignificant, but it's just so popular and it's just such a beautiful colour. It's this pinky nudie shade. I absolutely love it. This is a smaller lip liner. I'm pretty sure they've had full sizes in here in the past, but nonetheless very excited to see this in here, and I will definitely use that. The next drawer is again a bigger one. Every row has a bigger and then a smaller drawer. This is Goddess Skin Clay Mask. This is a 15ml. Again, a product that you see very often in Charlotte Tilbury sets or even in other advent calendars, because I think it is quite a well loved iconic product. Excited to see this in here. I will definitely give that a go, especially at the moment with like maskne, which initially, by the way, I did not think is a thing, and now I 100% think is, so definitely going to use that maybe straight after this video. On to drawer number 6. This is what the packaging looks like. Really beautiful, quite heavy actually. This is Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Serum. This is probably the first product that I have definitely not tried, because I actually think I may already have the highlighter, but I definitely don't have this, so very excited to see this in here. I think this might be a slightly newer product, and this is an 8ml, which isn't huge, but this is a slightly more expensive product, and it comes in a glass jar and it comes with a pipette, so it still looks and feels very luxe. I have not tried this, so I will give this a go. I'm very excited to do so. Basically, I can't not be excited about Charlotte Tilbury. It smells like something I already own, but what does it smell like? I do like it, but it smells like a product I already own. Okay, on to number 7. Again, beautiful packaging. This is Wonder Glow, which I think is a product that I suspected would be in here. Again, a 15ml. Again, quite common in the Charlotte Tilbury advent calendars. I think I've got a few of these because they've been in the last few advent calendars, but great product. Typically I would be like, yeah, great for party skin, but maybe not so much for this year, because most of us probably won't be getting overly dressed up or having parties, but definitely a great product. Next, don't know what this is, I have never tried it, so very excited. This is Push Up Lashes Pillow Talk Mascara in Super Black. I have heard quite a lot of people talking about this. I have not tried this. I cannot wait to try this. I am terribly excited. I don't know if this is similar to the original packaging, because this here is like a matte pink, but really like the packaging. Definitely going to use this. So far that and the serum have been the most exciting products for me. On to the penultimate row, we have a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. I love Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. I just think they're super iconic. This is actually Pillow Talk, which is what I've got on today. Now I think it was last year or the year before that they first put this in, but I actually already have 2 of these lipsticks, so not overly exciting for me. And I think if you are a Charlotte Tilbury stan, I think a lot of these products you would have already used previously. Nonetheless, a beautiful lipstick. I actually have a friend that's been dying to try Charlotte Tilbury, and I've already told her that she can have this lipstick, so I'm very excited to pass that along. I already own 2, which is why I'm not super excited about it, but if I didn't own this, I think I would literally be doing like laps around my room, because I think it's such an iconic and such a talked about and hyped up lipstick. Like everyone talks about this lipstick, so I kind of have mixed emotions about that. It's exciting if you've not tried it, but I guess that's kind of the case with any brand. Next we have Supermodel Body. Again, another product that comes in these advent calendars pretty much every year. This again is a 15ml and a great product to wear. Oh, you know what, I'm just going to point out, I think I confused these. This is the Supermodel Body is obviously a body product, but then the Wonder Glow I think is the product that goes under your foundation. Well, I think you can wear it on top. I do quite like, and you can kind of wear just on a regular day. It's not like a party product. Then onto the last 2 drawers, and the last 2 drawers are slightly wider. I'm going to try and lift this. I know the products are going to fall. Yep, already going. But the last 2 drawers are a little wider. So penultimate product, again, definitely one that has been in the previous Charlotte Tilbury advent calendars, but one I'm very excited about. So I'm a big fan of this product, but I've never had a full size. This is Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. This is a relatively pricey product. It's probably about the £90 mark off the top of my head, and this is 15ml Again, comes in these advent calendars quite a lot. If you're a Charlotte Tilbury fan, you probably like this cream. It's a cream that I kind of go through quite quickly, so very excited to see that in here. And then the final drawer. This isn't necessarily the best drawer because I feel like typically door 24, 25 will often be the best drawer. Because these don't have numbers, that may not be the case. That said, it is a heavy drawer. I'm not sure what's in here. So maybe not the most exciting product to some people, but I have heard really good things about this product, so I am personally very, very excited about this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I think this is a newer product. Oh, I quite like the smell. It's light, but it's definitely got a scent. I like that. Literally just today I was watching someone really rave about this, so cannot wait to try this, and I hope that I love it as much as everyone else seems to love it. So those are the 12 products inside the Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar this year. So for me, there are 3 products that really stand out. That is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, the Charlotte's Magic Serum Elixir, and then finally the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. These are exciting in my opinion because I haven't seen them in advent calendars before, and the rest of the product I definitely have. I'm not 100% sure about the highlighter, but these 3 items are completely new. So my kind of takeaway is that I love this calendar. If you're new to Charlotte Tilbury, if you've never tried Charlotte Tilbury, this is the calendar for you. I can't not rave about Charlotte Tilbury. I think there is a bit of a hype around it, but largely it's well deserved. There are a couple of products that I don't love, but largely I think it's an amazing, amazing brand. But if you've had this advent calendar before, I would seriously consider buying a different one, just because this is a little bit repetitive. This is my 3rd Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. It's not that these products shouldn't be in here. I really do think that they should, but they're almost so iconic that everyone already has them. So I think that makes it a bit difficult. But whereas these products, because they're new, maybe not everyone has them, or at least I don't, and I'm very, very excited about them. I think going forward, it would be really nice to see Charlotte Tilbury next year do something a little bit different. I think this is getting a little bit repetitive. Like I said, I think this is my 3rd advent calendar from Charlotte Tilbury. Don't get me wrong, like I get so excited. I literally squeal with excitement, which I don't really do with any other advent calendar apart from maybe the Space NK one. Really am a Charlotte Tilbury fan. Just find the calendar so exciting, but at the same time just that little bit boring and repetitive because I've had it before. I think next year it'd be nice to see Charlotte Tilbury, I don't know, like maybe put in some products pre-release. I think that would be super exciting. I do think the issue with that is that it could kind of cause a huge hype and they would run out of advent calendars really quickly. That's the only issue there. Or I don't know, I feel like they need to do something else to kind of make this a little bit different. Maybe they're launching more products next year, but I think they need to really kind of rejig this because I hope that it's not this exact same format with like 2 different products next year, which I fear it probably will be. But that's the end of today's advent calendar video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I will link everything down below. I will link this. I'm not sure if it's available anywhere. Fingers crossed it is. If it is, I will definitely link it below. But if not, I will link the individual items down below. Let me know down below what your favourite Charlotte Tilbury product is, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.